Lottie. So today's video I wanted to do a basic video on eyeshadow placement. So this is for beginners, for you to be able to practice at home, just so then you have an idea of where they are all placed, and then you can create your own looks from that. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay, so today I've chosen my Milani Bare Necessities Everyday Eyes eyeshadow collection palette. So I've chosen this palette because this is a good starter palette. This is one of my very first palettes that I picked up when I first ventured out into trying new makeup and stuff. So actually on the back of this palette, it has where you place the eyeshadow. So I practiced this quite a bit to start off with. And once you get the placements correct, then you can really just jump in with whatever colour story you want. So what I've just done there is I've started with the base colour, so that's normally a lighter shade colour, and you pop that all over your lid, so from your lash line to your brow bone. Next, I've just jumped into the contour colour, so that really goes under the brow bone, blending from the inner to the outer corners. So that's normally like a lighter colour but darker than the base colour. I'm also doing this in real time, so I haven't sped it up so that you can see exactly how easy it is and just exactly what you need to do. For this, I am also just using a medium-sized fluffy brush. And I'm just blending that in nicely. So the next colour I jump into is the lid colour. So here for the lid colour, this one's a nice goldy colour in this palette. You just tap the lid colour onto the centre of the lid and blend it in nicely. So you can see here, I'm just blending it in and tapping it on. If you want more of a pop, you can just pack it on a little bit more. I just wanted the nice neutral look, so I just did a small amount of this colour. So next up is the crease colour. So this is normally more of a darker colour if you're wanting a smoky look. So with the crease colour, you're just adding the depth to your look. So you apply the crease colour to the outer corner, blending through your crease. So you can see I'm just doing some little circle motions on the edge there and then blending it in. I just do want to make a note that I do have tape on my eyes. I was filming 2 videos at once, but you can also do this if you are a beginner, you don't want it all over your face and you have done your foundation already. Otherwise, feel free to just go to town and then you can use a makeup wipe or even like a makeup pad with some water and be able to clean up under your eyes afterwards. So now I'm jumping into the specialty stage. So this one goes on the inner corner. So this is to brighten up your eyes, your inner corner highlight. So that's normally a nice like bright colour or like a shimmery, sparkly colour. And here I'm just using a smaller brush so that I can get in there nicely and just tapping it on, so not blending it out at all. So that's what it looks like so far. And then the last colour that we jump into is a liner. So if you're not an expert at eyeliner, this is really great way to start. So this is just like a real dark brown that's in the palette. And if you just grab a super small liner brush and then you can just pop that on like a liner. This is a good way to practice. You can do this with any colour as well. If you want like a blue eyeliner, you want a pink, just jump into whatever colour you want. And it's much easier to fix up if you make a mistake, and then you can venture out to a pencil or a liquid eyeliner once you've really got the hang of doing this with an eyeshadow. So this look today was done with the Milani palette and just with those 3 brushes. So a bit of a fluffy brush, a short small brush, and then the liner brush. Once you've finished up, if you do have tape on, you can just remove that and then just grab a baby wipe or a makeup wipe or a makeup pad and some water, and you can just clean it up nicely and then you can do your foundation. I hope you enjoyed that video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!